This is Bask and Lather Co.'s Moisturize and Seal bundle. Its purpose is to help grow your hair, thicken your hair, and add moisture. And today we're going to demonstrate it on a protective style. To start, you would use our Scalp Stimulator and apply to your scalp. Our Scalp Stimulator has 4 key ingredients, which is rosemary, peppermint, grapeseed, and hemp seed oil. These are great ingredients to help grow your hair. Next, you would go in with our Hydrating Mist. This mist can be used as a detangler or a leave-in conditioner, and it also helps with frizz. It is a great way to add hydration to the hair as it has aloe vera and avocado oil in it. Next, you would use our Stimulating Scalp and Hair Balm. It is like a grease, it has mango butter and shea butter in it, and you would apply to your parts. Lastly, you would go in with our hair elixir. Its purpose is to lock in moisture, thicken your hair, and retain your length that's coming in. To apply, you would apply from roots to end. However, if you have faux locks, you would only apply to the roots. Then you would make sure to massage for at least 3 to 5 minutes. And that is how you apply our Moisturize and Seal bundle.